Locate the air filter housing. Remove the Torx bolts that secure the air filter assembly.
The bolts that secure the air filter assembly do not completely come out. Loosen them enough to pull them up about a ½ inch and you will be able to lift the housing.
Pull the cover to remove it.
Now once we have that top part off, we're going to come down here and locate the hose clamp.
Loosen the clamp on the air filter housing. Pull the hose off to remove it.
Once we have the hose disconnected, you should be able to kind of lift this up. Be careful, there is another wire that's kind of connected right here. But at this point, you can kind of just pivot this and then kind of pull that section out. Now when we bring this back in, we're going to kind of just get it down in here, and you want to just kind of line up the hole with the section here. So we'll get this kind of down into place. If you got the hole lined up, it should be good, and then we can just push this whole section back down in there.
Reconnect the hose. Make sure it is tight and secure. Tighten the clamp on the air filter housing.
Never operate your vehicle without an air filter.
Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place. Attach the Torx bolts to secure the housing.
Make sure the assembly is tight and secure.